So if I were to go around over here and press the play button, then what happens is that you can see that this is the video clip right here. You can see that it is playing around right here and it is quite smooth. If I were to go around over here on this side right here and press the play button, then this is what you have right here. But sometimes what happens is that the media may just freeze, and in that case that is because it isn't rendered yet. So in order to preview it with render, you can go around and press the render button right here just like this, and what happens is that it takes the media right here and renders it out temporarily right here, so that what happens is that the preview is much more smoother right here. So rendering does take a bit of time right here. So it says the time left is 3 minutes right here. So I'm just going to go around and expand this out right here just like this. So you can see that there's the render start over here just like this, and this is what you have right here. So now you do need to go around and wait a bit right here. So I'm just going to go around and do that. And now you can see that the render is complete right here, and you can see that it is much more smoother right here just like this. So there's no lag while you're previewing your footage over here once you do that. And you can and that is how you can go around and utilize the render for preview inside of Adobe Premiere Elements to make sure that the playback is smooth. So I hope you guys learn something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.